Step into a backyard workshop where raw steel turns into pure ingenuity. These homemade firewood splitters hit harder, run smoother, and make tough jobs look easy. Let's unlock the craft behind these power-built machines. Unleash the beast. This Halverson HWP 140 with its 6-way splitter tears through 8 feet logs like nothing. Mounted on a skid steer, it turns raw timber into clean firewood in under a minute. Brutal power, smooth control, and rock-solid safety for the operator. Why settle for weak gear when this 4 kW mechanical splitter delivers raw precision and shocking efficiency? Its fast cycling force tears through logs like nothing, saving power and time. Smooth cuts, clean splits, this is the upgrade your workflow deserves. Built right, this Rambak Walkowi Zaklakuf turns logs into chips with jaw-dropping speed. Heavy rollers bite and pull wood effortlessly, proving smart design beats brute force. It's not just splitting, it's transforming tough work into smooth, unstoppable power. This custom-built wood splitter turns logs into firewood with calm precision. Its big flywheel stores power and releases it in smooth, unstoppable strokes. No jerks, no stalls, just steady, flawless splitting every single time. Who would guess car rims could morph into a log-crunching beast? This DIY wood chunker looks like Frankenstein's monster, scrap parts welded into power. Feed it a branch and it chews through with raw fury, spitting out chunks like a factory-built shredder gone rogue. This DIY log splitter isn't just functional, it's a mechanical time capsule. Each rotation of that flywheel-powered blade slices clean through timber like it's nothing, delivering old-school performance with a touch of workshop genius. Simplicity, but brutally effective. This wood splitter unleashes raw power with every stroke built tough, stable, and ready for non-stop action. Its rapid cycle time drives clean, perfect splits, turning heavy logs into neat stacks with ease. Pure efficiency, pure dominance. This homemade bandsaw is pure ingenuity. The spring arm power cable is a clever touch, but a blade guard is a must for safety. Still, this DIY setup shows true craftsmanship. Smart design or risky build? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't blink. This vertical gearbox splitter gets to work before you even finish your coffee. Rugged, compact, and brutally efficient. It turns logs into firewood like clockwork. No hydraulics. No nonsense. Just pure mechanical force that gets the job done fast. These dual work tables are a game changer. One log splits while the next is already staged, cutting downtime to zero. Every stroke hits with raw mechanical force, pushing output to insane levels. It's like watching a lumberjack command an entire forest. This homemade firewood processor is an absolute game changer. It combines impressive power, safety, and efficiency in one. Unlike the usual high-performance models, this one prioritizes safety without sacrificing strength. Perfect for handling large volumes with ease. Crafted with pure ingenuity, this homemade hydraulic splitter taps into tractor power, effortlessly smashing through tough firewood. The force of the piston makes quick work of even the hardest logs. How many of you would love to build one for yourselves? This homemade processor turns logs into firewood like magic, pure proof that genius lives in simple steel. This homemade firewood splitter may be rough, but it screams pure ingenuity. The loose frame gives it that wild metallic chatter, and without a flywheel, the shaft kicks with brute force. Yet its improvised guards and control setup keep the operator safe. A raw, must-see machine.
Красота.
This machine is a monster. Its 14 HP motor and 30-ton splitting force tear through massive logs with shocking ease. The self-adjusting system handles any length, while the conveyor launches finished firewood straight to the truck. Pure efficiency in motion. Like a silent hammer, this hydraulic splitter turns thick logs into perfect firewood in seconds. No noise, no fuss, just clean, crushing force. One push, and even the toughest timber folds effortlessly. This Kindling machine takes firewood splitting to another level. Its short stroke safety keeps hands clear while delivering rapid, precise cuts. Compact but powerful, it turns big chunks into perfect kindling fast, blending safety, speed, and efficiency in one smart build. Ever wondered how a train-grade engine could drive a wood splitter? With a 140 worm gear ratio and a 4.5 kW motor spinning at 1,400 revolutions per minute, this beast delivers insane torque and pinpoint accuracy. It's not just a splitter, it's a precision powerhouse built to crush any log. This reducer-driven log splitter is a beast of simplicity and strength. Heavy steel, steady torque, and a blade that bites clean through dense rounds. It's efficient already, but imagine upping the rotational speed. Faster cycles, higher throughput, more firewood split in record time. This Halverson processor on a Kubota doesn't just cut wood, it obliterates it. Full logs vanish in seconds as the splitter slams through like a hydraulic sledgehammer. Massive force, insane speed, zero hesitation. This rig absolutely dominates. Now this is a real throwback, an old-school belt-driven wood splitter from another era, heavy, loud, and built like a tank. You can almost feel the power of raw mechanics at work. No electronics, no sensors, just pure industrial muscle. A glimpse into how wood was conquered before automation. The HMG HSP16 paired with the John Deere LS 310 is a powerhouse duo. Tractor torque feeds pure hydraulic strength, delivering fast, clean splits every cycle. Smooth motion, high output, and zero hesitation make it perfect for large-scale wood operations. Think splitting wood is a hardcore job? Think again. This vertical splitter makes the whole process so simple and controlled that anyone, even beginners or women, can run it with confidence. It turns heavy labor into effortless, safe, everyday power. An 8-horsepower mechanical splitter unleashes raw power. With a hand crank ignition, a firm log grip, and a reinforced steel wedge, it smashes through wood like a beast. Firewood processing has never been this efficient. Precision, speed, and brute force all in one machine. This Zaklikov drum chipper grips branches and shreds them with ruthless efficiency. Powered by the tractor's torque, it chews through piles of brush in seconds. Clean cuts, fast output, pure backyard demolition power. This GTS-80 is a time-saving Titan part saw, part splitter, all power. It devours logs up to 420 millimeters with a fury that never slows. The reinforced frame stays rock solid under non-stop use, delivering brutal speed and unmatched productivity. This chip-splitting machine slices logs into perfect kindling with rapid, controlled force. The feeder keeps pieces moving non-stop, turning rough timber into clean, uniform chips, fast, precise, and built for serious output. This rotating drum tears through logs with sharp, relentless precision. It grips every piece and splits it clean, no matter the wood type, saving serious time and energy. Built tough for non-stop action, it's a true high-performance workhorse. Efficiency at its finest. This Firewood processor not only slices but also splits wood in a single step, cutting down hours of hard labor to mere minutes. Imagine having this at your side in winter.
And a day of work.
This fast Firewood processor is built for both homeowners and pros, blasting through frozen logs with clean, rapid cuts. Its aggressive feed system and precision splitter turn heavy winter wood into neat firewood in seconds easy, quick, unstoppable. This manual log splitter is pure genius, lever-powered, boosted by a Volvo coil spring, and no engine in sight. Simple design, zero fatigue, just pivot and spring doing all the hard work all day long. Ever wonder how old-school machines still dominate? This Heron saw proves it. A vintage engine roaring like a time capsule, slicing through heavy logs with the same effortless power it had decades ago. Pure, timeless muscle at work. This splitter delivers shockingly smooth power, no shaking, no kickback, just a quiet, controlled push that slices through heavy logs with ease. Its low fuel burn and steady pace make it perfect for daily use. Efficient, reliable, and far stronger than it looks.
Вращение в эту сторону. Рабочий режим, круг по часовой стрелке.
Amazing, isn't it? Watching raw power conquer stubborn wood is deeply satisfying. This cone-shaped log splitter isn't just a tool, it dominates. turning brutal labor into an effortless rhythm. Wouldn't you love to feel that power in your own hands? Meet the Flywheel wood splitter, a minimalist beast built on brains and balance. A single spinning wheel powered by an electric motor delivers massive splitting force with whisper-quiet precision. Safe, smooth, and brilliantly efficient. It makes tough jobs look effortless. Forget the old axe, this tube-driven splitter hits with pure inertia. A heavy sliding weight slams the wedge straight into the log, delivering clean, controlled power that cracks tough rounds effortlessly. This V8 chainsaw is no toy, it's a full-blown monster. The industrial chain plus roaring V8 torque rips through 1 meter logs in seconds. Raw power, brutal engineering, and zero hesitation. This beast conquers anything you throw at it. Imagine a workbench so smart you never bend twice. Every log stays right where you need it. This setup even adjusts higher, so you can stand tall and work comfortably. TR's homemade firewood splitter shows real engineering brilliance, turning simple ideas into serious efficiency. This homemade log splitter offers a unique, relaxed approach to wood processing. Unlike typical power-hungry machines, it operates gently and slowly, allowing you to pause, breathe, and even enjoy a cup of tea while getting the job done efficiently. This wood-cutting machine is intense, but its power is unmatched. A long wedge splitter like this turns massive logs into clean cuts with sheer mechanical muscle. The lever and pulley system drive a compact combustion engine, all mounted on a trailer with a belt conveyor tossing split wood aside. Always keep your hands clear, safety first. Using an oil drum like that on the saw is a game-changing trick for quick adjustments. This clever setup simplifies the process and makes it all run smoothly. A must-see in action for anyone looking to innovate.
нормально.
Built around a massive screw, this homemade splitter grabs each log and twists it apart like peeling an orange. Every turn bites deeper, making tough wood break effortlessly. Simple, brilliant engineering that turns backbreaking work into a smooth, almost automatic flow.
Он спокойно тоже берет. Вот так. Вот. Так. Такие вот дела.